I am building a bucket list app which is now live on both app stores, link below, and I want to go over how it went and talk about the process of publishing an app. I am not going to go over the app because I did all of that in this video. You can go watch it, but in that video I actually said that I will be publishing only for iOS and leave Android for maybe somewhere down the line, but that is not the case. I actually decided to also publish for Android, which was a mistake. Before I get to that, I am not sure if this is a Google issue or my ignorance issue, but the process of basically sign in with Google was a lot more difficult than I thought, and it gave me too many problems. I am getting feedback from Android users that they are not able to sign in with Google, which is also the only way to sign into the app. I knew this was going to backfire at some point, but I was okay with it. But it looks like I needed to also verify my app with Google. And before I show you the app, I wanted to announce that I will be participating in Revenue Cat's Ship a Ton Hackathon. I just want to say that it is a genius name. Kudos to whoever came up with it. But yes, I'll be participating, which I think the deadline is September 18th. Which is in 5 days. So yeah, I am not expecting to win any awards, but I will take a participation trophy. Anyway, this is the latest feature in my app, and it is basically called Experiences. And experience is basically an activity that is at least done once in your lifetime, and it doesn't really belong into a bucket. You can say something like skydiving, or dining at a 5-star Michelin restaurant, or stay at a 7-star hotel. It is one of those fancy, unique, rare activities that all you want to do is just try it at least once. And I also added this fancy, beautiful animation. It is a package. I'm not writing any of this from scratch. I don't do that. And this is how you add an experience. This is what it looks like. And by the way, and I want to update the add bucket flow. This looks ugly. I want to update it to something like this. This is a lot more modern. It's a lot more beautiful. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Again, this is not the final design. As you can see, the category and activity, they don't really look like the rest of the page. I'm still working on it. But yeah, let me add a experience. I'm gonna call this one skydiving. Description, why not? Hey, why not? Yeah, so you click add experience, and yeah, I need to fix that bug. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It shows up in here, all of them as a list of cards. You click on it, you go to the experience screen. I'm still working on all of these features. But yeah, this is basically the new thing that is coming to the app. Now let's get to the fun part. So right now, after I actually announced that my app is live on on LinkedIn, I have 5,000 followers on there. To my Twitter, yeah, I think those are the only 2 platforms that I made the announcement to. And I gained 187 users, and none of them is paying. That is the unfortunate truth. And my target goal is usually 1%. So at this point, I was expecting to have at least two of these people paying, and I am not surprised by this because most of my followers are other developers and people in tech which are trying the app just to see what it looks like and how it acts and how it behaves. And some of them actually gave me a great feedback. Thanks very much for that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So anyway, that is all for today. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.